Hello and welcome to our channel. This is Archie the Cockatiel and I am Stacy. And today we are doing something special. So Archie was entered in for a calendar contest for Great Companions. They do an annual calendar. So I sent in several pictures and the one that was chosen is our pumpkin picture. So Archie will be in the October Great Companions 2021 calendar. They will have it up on their site within the next few weeks if you'd like to get one. And the other birds are pretty cute too, but let's be honest, you're the cutest. Yes. Do you agree? Do you agree? What do you think? You haven't seen it yet. What do you think? Who's that? What do you think? Who's that pretty bird? All right. Well, he didn't win being the cover bird for the calendar, but since we were a runner-up, we won some gift cards as well as some calendars. So, you want to take a look and see what I ordered for you? I ordered some stuff for Archie. So, let's take a look and see what Archie thinks of what I picked out for him. Alright, so we actually got another calendar in our box. One of the things I ordered was this cage saver. I absolutely love these. They're non-abrasive on your bird cage, so you don't have to worry about it damaging the finish. They do a great job of scrubbing off poop and food and other messes that end up in the cage. And then since Archie is a star, I got him this star toy. He has fun chewing on this kind of like wicker material, so I think he'll really like that. And this is a little bigger than I thought it was gonna be. He'll still definitely play with this because he loves shredding things. So, pretty big toy, but it'll still fit in his cage, so he'll really like that. Oh, and this is by Happy Beaks, and this is by Polywana Green Bird Toy. I also got some cookies. Now these are actually for Jackie and Evie. They really like those. And then for Archie, I got him some Nutriberries. And then last but not least, I got the Kitech Oven Fresh Bites large pellets. Those are for Jackie and Evie. I just needed to stock up on these because this is part of what they eat in the mornings. Alright, so these were for the other birds, so I'll set those off to the side. So for Archie, we got this nice big toy. We got this cute little star toy. Yeah, what do you think? This is for you. What do you think? Want to check it out? Yeah. Alright, I think we picked a winner. So we've got this cute star toy he already likes, this little basket woven toy with like corn husks in it. There's another wicker star on the top. There's some of this, I don't know what you call that material. Some kind of material he'll like to pick through. I could put different seeds and things in here. Pieces of millet if I wanted to, so he has to forage for it. And then he's had pellet berries and AV cakes before. He's never actually had like a Nutriberry, so I thought this would be fun. I got the Sunny Orchard version, and it has cranberries, apricots, and dates in it. He likes to eat vegetables, but sometimes getting him to eat fruit is kind of difficult, so I thought this would be a good way to sneak some fruit to him. So since this does have seeds in it, although it does also have some pellets in it too, you want to limit the amount that they get of these, just because you don't want them to have too much seed. Alright, so Archie has some fun toys to play with. What do you think? Yeah, is that fun? And then you got a Nutriberry. Archie! Congratulations on being in a calendar, buddy. Congratulations. Alright, thanks for joining us on our channel today. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to see more videos. And you can also follow us on our Instagram, so that way you can see some of these fun things that Archie gets entered into. Because he is occasionally entered into some contests. Several months ago he did win Best Vocals in a contest, so just do fun things like that. So if you follow us on our Instagram, you can definitely keep up with some of that. And next week we will be doing a video about how to get your cockatiel to talk or whistle. So we will see you then.